chewing an apple.
I think there's a problem. I don't think we can leave California. After our intro meeting thing.
Okay guys, we're going to our calling training, so we're going to learn about Forest Home and the history and all the cool things and probably get a tour. So say hi guys. Hello.
Hi. Sarah had a phone meeting, so I went exploring. Yeah. And the staff have been talking about a creek, but nobody had really said anything to us about like...
Where's the creek?
Yeah, it being awesome. And then I came down here, I think I'm in love.
You can't be in love. Look at it. I can't get over it. Beautiful, babe.
Covered it like face to black eye. Swear I'm alright. Medication can't save my soul. I thieve myself of life.
Guys, we are totally in a cloud right now. So we spent the day with Zach, our handler. It's a good name. Yeah. And we followed Greg around. Greg is a host at Forest Home.
How's it going?
He runs the place.
So we got to spend the day seeing what a host does. They schooled us in the history of the Forest Home video. And we got to meet some other cool people.
Go Maggie.
Why just shoot yourself again? I swear I'm not would lie. Break free, you're too good to try.
We made it to San Diego.
We're going to church with Abby. Hi.
Exegesis is concerned with discerning the original meaning of a scripture text. And so it takes into account not just the words on the page, but also the social, historical, and cultural context of the text.
I'm stoked about this. I'm never touching you again.
See you in the...
Bye, Abby.
I'm at the wrong camp!
Have fun at school or not.
Yes, I look forward to it. Have fun with your friends.
Oh, anyway.
So yeah, so that guy didn't have a wide angle lens, and I was like, well, I want it for this
Are they
exact thing
turning,
we're doing.
or-
Oh no, they're waiting for us.
Okay.
So anyway.
Peyton, where are we going? We're going to the dog beach.
One of the really cool things about our trip is we get to see friends who we would like never get to see. So yesterday we spent the whole day with Abby and we went to church with her and
Hung out with her really awesome family and
yeah,
talked
they were
and...
super cool and we're there for her mom's birthday. So happy birthday, Jen.
Oh look, Normal Heights, that's where we are.
And today we're hanging out with Dylan and Anna, and like Dylan was my friend in high school, which was 10 years ago. So that was cool. I haven't seen him since he moved to San Diego. So
Basically getting to travel the country is amazing.
yeah.
We're very grateful and gonna go have some fun with our dog. Peyton went insane for about 4 hours of running and non-stop playing and running.
He had a lot.
And as you can see, she's still raring to go. No, like not even calm at all.
No calm. No chill.
So we're gonna finish up our time in San Diego with some friends and then drive home.